everyone, I'm Jenna, your Love Encore specialist here at Subaru of Puyallup. Today we're going to be going over my top frequently asked questions. We're either going to be answering them or debunking them. One of my most frequently asked questions is, what is the auto start stop feature? Well, the auto start stop feature is Subaru's way of saving gas when your car is sitting in traffic or at a stoplight. The engine will shut off when you press on the brake, and once you release, it will automatically turn back on. Subaru uses a special deep cycle battery and a stronger starter motor so that it is designed for this repeated use. If it ever feels odd, just know it's working exactly how it's intended to. And another question I get frequently asked is, what do I do when my fob battery starts to die? Well, let me show you. If you let your fob battery get so low to the point of no return, unfortunately there is no way for you to start the vehicle unless you had a battery replacement or your spare fob. But if you still have just a little bit of life left in your battery, I'll show you how to start your car just by using your fob. And so all you'll need to do is using the key fob to press the engine start stop button. That should get the vehicle to turn on. And the final frequently asked question I always get is, why is my eyesight disabled? Well, let me tell you, every Subaru owner experiences this, and let me tell you why. If you ever get out to your car or during the middle of driving and you see eyesight disabled pop up, don't panic. That is usually just due to the cameras not being able to see very well. Could be that you're driving through heavy rain, heavy fog, or even a tough sun glare hitting one of those cameras. That will get the eyesight system to shut down temporarily, but don't worry, don't panic. Once conditions clear up, it turns back on automatically for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my frequently asked questions. Again, my name is Jenna here at Subaru of Puyallup, your Love Encore delivery specialist. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your push notifications for more Subaru content.